Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to export your Google contacts to a CSV file, perfect for backups or transferring contacts to another platform. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail account on your desktop. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon, also known as your Google Apps menu. From the drop-down, select Contacts. This will take you directly to your Google Contacts dashboard where all your saved contacts are listed. Now that you are on the contacts page, look towards the left sidebar and find the option called Export. Click on it to open your export settings. Here, you will need to choose the format for your export. Select Google CSV. This format works well with other Google accounts and most spreadsheet applications. Once selected, go ahead and click the export button. Your contacts will now download to your computer as a CSV file. If prompted, choose a location on your device where you would like to save the file, somewhere easy to find later. And that's it. Your Google contacts are now safely exported and saved in a CSV format ready for backup or migration. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.